everybody. I'm at Parkdale Public School in Toronto, Ontario. Now, school is over for the day, but here a lot of students stay after school to learn music through a program called Sistema, which I think is really cool. And look who it is. This is Christy Gray. She's the executive director of Sistema. Hi, Christy.
Hi.
So, Christy, can you tell us a little bit about what Sistema is all about?
Yeah, sure. So Systema is an after-school program where kids get to learn how to play a stringed instrument like a violin or a cello. They get to learn how to sing, and they get to play in a percussion ensemble, and it's all for free.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
So why do you think it's so important for young people to be able to learn music?
Well, it's great because kids get to learn how to play music, but also really amazing because they get to learn important skills like how to listen, how to focus, how to work together as a team, and also how to develop their critical thinking skills.
That's great. I think there's so many different skills you can learn through learning something like music.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah. So how many students do you teach through Sistema here in Toronto?
We teach 275 kids in our program.
Wow, 275 students get to learn music after school, all for free. That's so incredible. You're reaching so many kids.
Yeah, it's so amazing. You want to come and meet some of them?
Yeah, I'd love to.
All right, let's go.
Fun. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Claudia.
Hi, Claudia. I'm Caitie. What instrument do you have here?
Violin.
Do you like playing the violin?
Yes.
Nice. What do you like about it?
That I get to learn pieces and share it with my friends.
So you learn new music, and then you get to play it on the violin and play it for all your friends. That's really neat. Can you play something for us today?
Sure. This is a C major scale.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Claudia.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Rafi,
And what instrument do you play?
the cello.
The cello is beautiful. It's such a big instrument. Do you like playing the cello?
Yes.
When you first started playing the cello, what was that like?
It was hard, but then it got easier.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not easy to learn something new, right? And now you really like it?
Yes.
What do you like most about it?
I like the sound, and it's also really fun.
It must sound really nice. Can you play us something?
Sure.
That's beautiful. I really like the cello. Thanks, Rafi.
1, 2, 7, 5.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Pawan.
Hi, Pawan. How old are you?
9.
9 years old. And what instrument do you play?
Viola.
A viola. It looks a lot like a violin. What's the difference between a viola and a violin?
It's a little bigger and it has a different string.
A little bit bigger than a violin. Nice. How long have you been playing the viola for?
1 year.
So what would you tell somebody who wanted to learn an instrument, but they've never played one before?
Try one.
Just
try
try.
it.
Just try one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Here.
You're gonna let me play yours?
Yeah.
What? Thank you so much. That's so nice. Thanks so much for letting me try. That's really great. Will you play us something?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure you're a lot better. Woo! That was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for playing that. Hey,
Hello.
what's your name?
Fraser.
Hi, Fraser. How old are you?
10.
10 years old, and what is this instrument?
It's a double bass.
A double bass. It is so big. It's taller than you.
Yeah.
What does it sound like?
Sounds like that.
Ooh, so what do you like about the double bass?
I like that, like, it's deep and mellow, you know, it's cool.
Yeah, it's super deep. It sounds really neat. Will you play something for us?
Sure.
Woo! That was great.
Thank you.
Thanks for playing for us, Fraser.
Welcome.
The students at Sistema are so awesome. Learning music, trying something new, and really enjoying playing together.